So your science exams are coming up, and suddenly there's a rush of all these marathon videos, these one-shot videos, these paper leak videos. Questions will come from this video, left, right, and center. You're getting hit by all these videos. Breathe. I know it's very nerve-wracking, and you must be confused. Whom should I watch? Kisko trust karu? How should I watch it? How should I make sure that I actually get more benefits from this than stress? You are on the right video. Now, number one, I'm not going to tell you not to watch these videos because it's not possible. अगर मैं तुम्हें कह दूंगी कि don't watch these marathon videos, no, it's not going to be possible. You know you're not going to follow that, and why should I say that? So you can watch marathon videos, and you should also watch marathon videos. How should you make sure that I'm actually getting the best benefits out of this? So I have made a table for you and you only. तो देखो मैंने एक टेबल बनाया है, okay? And this will decide if you should rely on marathon videos or if you should use it additionally. So this is a technique that we use a lot in medical school, and you know it helps us diagnose different conditions and how to treat different patients and whatever. But here goes. If your syllabus is completed more than 80%, okay, and if you're scoring more than 60% in your pre-boards, then you should watch marathon videos additionally. तुम्हें पढ़ाई करनी है खुद से, and you have to do marathon videos. I'm going to tell you in detail next. But if you're scoring less than 60% in your pre-boards and your syllabus is completed less than 70%, then you should be relying on marathon videos, okay? I know that I told you that pre-board marks don't matter, and that's true. But this is just to make sure that you are actually using it to the best of your abilities. Now, मैराथन वीडियोस किसके देखें? सर हैं, एक मैम है, एक दीदी हैं, भैया हैं, किसका वीडियो देखें? There are so many videos, there are 20,000 videos, I don't know what to do. Oh my god, please help me. Wait. Breathe. I've got you. I'm going to tell you what to do. So number one, first prerequisite, you have to stick to one teacher. I don't care how difficult this must be sounding or how irritating I might be sounding while saying this, but only and only if you stick to one teacher is when you're actually going to get the best and the best and the best benefits out of these videos. Okay? किसका वीडियो देखूं? Whoever you've been watching for all these days, whoever you trust the most, whoever attracts you the most, stick to them. Don't be juggling between teachers. That's the worst thing that you can do, because right now, do you know what is happening? You are more scared and stressed because of FOMO, because of fear of missing out. What if I miss that video? What if I miss that strategy? What if I miss the question that actually come in the exam? What if questions come from that video? What if questions don't come from the one that I'm studying with? Questions will come from wherever you study. क्योंकि question एक ही book है भाई, एक तुम्हारा book है. There is one single book. You will be able to answer all your questions in your science exam. ये मेरी guarantee है. If you utilize these 3-4 days that you have left, even if you have 2 days left, if you utilize them properly, if you do self-study the way that I tell you, you will be able to solve the question. You yourself can predict the type of questions that are going to come. So there's nothing great or extraordinary in assuming the type of questions that can come, because तुम्हें खुद भी पता है कि ये important है. How do you know that it's important? Because questions have been asked from that. So you also know what is important. You know it's a good thing if people are providing you with questions, and if those questions actually come in the exam, congratulations, it's amazing, बहुत अच्छा हुआ. But they should not be making you anxious, and you should not be feeling scared कि मैं क्या करूँ, किसका वीडियो देखूँ. Alright. Now, before you allow yourself to watch marathon videos, most of the marathon videos are starting in the evening, 4 बजे, 6 बजे, 5 बजे. It's starting from that time. You have the entire morning to yourself. You have to do self-study. अगर तुमने self-study नहीं की, भाड़ में जाए बाकी सब, you are not going to do as well as you can do. You cannot match up to your potential. उठो सुबह, wake up in the morning and study at least 3 to 4 hours of self-study minimum. I'm not going below that. If you do this, and then in the evenings, if you watch marathon videos, you can make sure that you extract all the good information and you will be confident to write your exam. Okay? If you don't do self-study, if you're just juggling between videos, this video, that video, that video, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something very basic. Who's giving the exam? Are you giving the exam, or am I giving the exam, or the one that's teaching you giving the exam? You are giving the exam. How will you remember what to write in the exam? Only if you study actively is how you're going to remember what to write in the exam. Watching videos, while it's good, it's also a passive way of learning, क्योंकि तुम passively information retain कर रहे हो. You're watching them solve questions. You might also be solving questions. I'm not saying that, but still somebody is leading you on, है ना? And this is not going to happen in the exams. So how to make sure that you get best marks in the exam is that you do self-study. क्योंकि तुम पढ़ाई करोगे, the more time you spend with books, the more that you score. It's as simple as that. It's a very old saying, है ना? हम सब यही करते आ रहे हैं. जितना खुद self-study करोगे, the more you self-study, the more marks you get. That's it for this video. I hope this video helps you. And I also want to tell you something. Hold on. There are all these videos of marathon live sessions in the morning of your exam at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Before we get any further, पहले मैं बता दूँ कि तुम्हें एग्जाम के डे पे क्या करना है. What to do on the day of your exam before I tell you anything else. Listen to me. You have to write an exam, okay? And your exam is at 10:30. You have to reach the exam center by 9:30, है ना? God knows how far your exam center is. Maybe you have to leave at 7 o'clock in the morning. You have to leave. Let's say you have to leave at 7 o'clock in the morning. When you leave at 7 o'clock in the morning, you have to get up at what, 5:30, okay? And you also have to have good sleep. So make sure you sleep well, make sure you've done self-study. And for the day of your exam, अगर तुम्हें FOMO हो रहा है, okay, I think I would have also done the same thing. I would have watched these videos that are telling me that, you know, these questions are going to come for the exam. Wake up in the morning, okay, 1 hour, give yourself 1 hour to watch this video. So there will be links in the description box, maybe they've uploaded notes. So go through the notes rather than sitting and watching 4-5 hours, you don't have that much time. Go through the notes, or if the video has already been posted or whatever, watch it at 2x 3x speed. Just see the questions. Don't waste your time listening to what they're telling, what is happening, because you have your exam 2-3 hours. So just see the questions, see if you know it, move on. If you don't know something, you can wait, watch the answer and move on. So just like that, like 15-20 minutes, make sure you watch that video, that you also have confidence when you go in the exam, and you've also not wasted your time and not created unnecessary panic situations. That's all for this video. I hope I guided you in this very stressful environment, because there are so many videos and whatnot. You will do well. You will do well. You will do well. You will do well. You must have self-doubt. I can understand, bro. Obviously, you will have self-doubt. Nobody's born confident. Everybody will be self-doubting themselves, and that is okay. So yeah, that is what I have to tell you in this video. Make sure that you are using these videos for your benefit and not the other way around, and not these videos are using you for their benefit. That is all. Stay calm. Big sister energy to all of you. Make sure you do these things that I tell you, and save your time, save your energy, and do well. You will do well. I know you do well. See you. Bye bye. Take care.